welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to join a trending CapCut template and replace clip fast in TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to join a trending CapCut template on your TikTok, all you gotta do is open your TikTok app, and once you open it, you need to find a video which you have used the TikTok trends on like CapCut templates. So you want to find the video with the CapCut trends first. So simply scroll to find. So as you can see, there is a thing called CapCut Try This Template. Simply tap on it and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Once you have done this, you will now be simply able to add your own clips and replace those from the previous ones faster. So this is how you can simply get the final result and join a CapCut template and replace the clips on TikTok with the help of the CapCut app itself. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.